This is Lackto DIY kit for you moms who want to make your own breast milk jewelry at home. I'll show you how easy this is to make. And if you're not breastfeeding anymore, but you still have the milk kept in your fridge, you can still use it. It's totally okay. And it's a good gift to give to someone who's breastfeeding. Our kit comes with instructions, a mixer, a pipette, a nail filer, A and B solutions, a silicone mold of your choice, a planted link, and a pair of plastic gloves. First, you're gonna set aside A and B solutions, so the content goes to the bottom and it's easier to mix. Then, you put on the gloves. Now that you have everything set, you're gonna clean the silicone mold and set it aside. Now we're gonna grab a solution, open it, and you can see it still has a lock in it, so you gotta get it out. Now you're gonna get your breast milk that is in a clean container and the pipette. You're gonna squeeze the pipette, dip the tip in, and let it go. It's okay, it's not gonna fill fully. That's how it's supposed to be. So, you're gonna get the breast milk into a solution and set the breast milk aside. Now that we have our breast milk in, we're gonna take the solution, open it, and get everything in. Now, we're gonna get the mixer and stir the solution slowly so the air doesn't get in. For 2 minutes until it's homogeneous. Now that we have it all mixed, we're gonna get a clean silicone mold and get the solution into it. Be careful to not close this hole because it's where the link will be. Now we gotta let it dry for at least 48 hours. Do not put in the fridge. 48 hours later, we have our pendant almost done. We're gonna get it off the mold, and with a nail filer, we're gonna file the back of it. You can choose to use some clear nail polish to the back of it so it protects your skin. Now we're gonna take the link, place it through the hole, and squeeze it with our fingers. Now we have our pendant done. This is Lackto. You can choose it now.